1967, I don't get it. 1967. Whoa! Unlucky. It's tight. Oh!
Everyone.
To
India.
I was half paying attention to that. That was really funny.
Not even sucked his tugs.
Yeah, Monday.
That's not funny.
Sorry, the hoover was thirsty.
Morning, mate. They're not like these.
What are you doing?
What are you doing, man? Why did you do that to my feet? Laggy! Why did you do that to my... Stick it in that whole thing, son.
Oh, that whole thing.
Tell you it's going! I'll tell you it's going!
Yeah, so what they'll do is if we put it in that box and shut it. Oh my god!
It's a very hungry hoover!
Mate, that drunk that beer quicker than Darren on a Friday.
I'm not actually like. That's actually
That's impressive.
I'm actually
Can't
lost
even
for
talk.
words how quick that just sucked that up.
Oh!
Now I've got the drops. Look. Cheers,
Oh,
Woods.
no.
No.
You got no drops, son. Oh, you git! No. Ah, lucky. Got another.
Ah, he's clever. He's clever.
Well done. Well done. How are we going to build it now? Bet that was worth it.
And laggy.
Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah. Well, how are we going to fix it? How are we going to build it now?
Why are you so fuming?